Hi everybody, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I do homesteading type videos and also videos about wine and winemaking. I'm in the early stages of building what I'm calling a homestead winery here in this beautiful property in the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina. In this video, we are going to use the brush cutter, the excavator mounted brush cutter, to clear out this whole area. There's a barbed wire fence here that goes around this old pasture, so I'm going to have to be careful not to catch the wire with the mower. But this is at the lower portion of what's going to be the vineyard. The vineyard is going to be all up in there. And so this spot down here, right by the creek here, I think will be a good spot for the vineyard shop. So out there is where the vineyard is going to go. Down here closer in the shade is where I'm thinking for the vineyard shop. And this shaded area is what I'm going to start mowing today. And then over here to the right is where the winery building is going to go. Well, it's now the next day. This is what I was able to accomplish in probably about 3 hours. And it's starting to rain here. I am going to hop in the excavator and see if we can get a little bit more done. But it means that I'm going to have to take the camera into the cab with me, so it'll change the perspective. But here, I want to finish up today, even if it is raining. I'll get the camera set up again right here so that we can see what progress we've made. All right, so a couple of quick things before we wrap up this video. So the brush cutter did an awesome job. It was definitely a worthwhile investment. One of the best things about using the excavator with the brush cutter is the high vantage point. Being able to see clearly what's going on is one of the challenges using the tractor to do bush hogging. I would run over stuff that I had no idea was even in my path. But especially this little pasture thing with the fence all the way around it. I only hit fence posts a couple of times and they were all just minor hits. But being up high and being able to see exactly where the wires were, I could get up awfully close. All right, so it's getting dark. and still threatening rain, so it's time to get things put away. But wanted to take a quick look at the underside of the brush cutter and make sure that everything's in good shape. I did hit a couple of rocks, and yep, the blades all look like they're fine. Yep, and did I get anything caught on the spindle? Yep, that looks good. All right, yeah, definitely a nice tough machine. So I would definitely say that the Blue Diamond 42-inch brush cutter is a winner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers.